Hey guys, it's Jenna. I wanted to give you my promised week one review from the Ultimate Reset. So here it is. Week one. Okay, week one went well, I would say, overall. Days 1 through 3 were probably the hardest for me because I was coming down from a caffeine withdrawal, and that is awful. That sucked. The worst headache I've probably had in a long time, but the big picture is it's healthy. It's a good thing to wean yourself off of that. So that was my biggest complaint for week one, other than a lot of dishes, because there's a ton of food prep. And my husband, I have to give him a shout out here because he was fantastic and is supporting me in this by doing all the dishes. So thank you, honey. I appreciate that. That definitely makes this a lot easier. I feel very energized. I feel very good. My total weight loss went from 126.2 to 121.2 over the 7-day period. I want to address the weight loss issue right here and go ahead and nip it in the bud because I had some concerns from people about smaller people doing a program like this and essentially it involving them starving themselves or something like that. Weight loss in this program specifically is toxins, it's crap, it's awful things in your body. It's not necessarily fat, it can be, but it's not necessarily. It's getting rid of the awful, awful things in your body. So 5 pounds of weight loss for someone that is already small is not necessarily a bad thing because it's getting rid of awful things that are in their body. I like to tell people this isn't a program to get yourself skinny. This is a program to get yourself healthy. If you lose weight in the process, I think that's great and that's awesome towards your fitness goals. But this program is designed to get you healthy and to teach you a new way to look at food and a new way to eat and to train your body essentially to eat. So 5 pounds of weight loss I'm pretty excited about. But I'm also very excited because this is all stuff that we can put back on when I do Body Beast the next time after this program. So that is pretty typical for this program. That's about where you end up for the first week on average. So that's exciting. The best part right now for me is the sleep. I absolutely love the sleep. I'm getting really a good solid night of sleep, and that was something that I was struggling with before. My husband works crazy schedules being a police officer, so we try to adjust to the sleeping schedule, and it's not necessarily the most easy thing to do. So this has helped me get a good night's sleep, and I really appreciate that. The food overall, I know that's a big question people have, is what about the food? Like, tell me about it. So the food was really good. I fell in love with the oatmeal and blueberries for breakfast. That was probably my go-to breakfast and the one that I liked the most. Lunch was always some kind of salad, which was delicious. You make all your own salad dressings, so you'll probably never want to buy one again after this. Let me tell you, it's really easy to do, and it's pretty healthy too. And dinner, I ended up falling in love with the rice and beans. The Southwestern taco was probably my favorite, and they're all so easy to make. It takes you maybe 10 minutes to make each meal, and you can usually prep for the days in advance, and the book will tell you that. So it's kind of nice. It makes it easy. My least favorite meal was probably the sushi, like the sushi, which I enjoy sushi, but I enjoy sushi with a lot of other things in it, not just carrots and avocado and lettuce and stuff. So that was a little different. But other than that, overall, everything's been really good. The energy's really good. The supplement that you have to drink, the Alkalinize, it's like a wheatgrass shot. It's not awful. A lot of people say it's terrible. I didn't mind it that much, but you kind of adjust to that too. So by the end of week one, usually you're pretty comfortable with that. And so week 2 starts tomorrow. I'm very excited about that. And I will be here, of course, sharing my results with you and letting you know how things are going. In the event, though, that you want to try a program like this, which I recommend everyone should, to get those pipes cleaned out, get you, running to your optimum performance level, I wanted to tell you that we have this program on sale this month. You can save up to $50 on it, and it's a great program. It's good for your own spring cleaning, and I recommend it for everyone. It really teaches you a way to eat and to understand nutrition, and I really recommend it. So if you're interested in a program like this, please shoot me a message, leave me a comment, and we will get you set up with it. So that's the end of my week 1 review. I hope you guys had a great St. Patrick's Day, you didn't party too hard, and I will see you next week.